Hello. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a full watercraft kit in a backpack. Now, as you have seen, I've taken my motorized bike way out back country to a lake and tried fishing from the shore. No luck. So, I wanted to create a backpack I could throw on that I can carry a boat, carry my life jacket, my paddles, everything in a backpack, jump on my motorized bike and make an adventure. That is a video that I do plan on shooting. But I'm out here to test this backpack and the gear in it. It's going to be the first time that I've tested it, and I wanted to bring you along. It's a big pond out here. I'm going to try some fishing. That looks like a decent place right there to launch. So I'm going to dig out the contents in here and show you what I have in this backpack, and then we're going to get it all set up to go out in the water. So, open this up first. I've got a rechargeable inflator, and this one here, it will last for a while. It'll pretty much get this right to the point of blowing up, but I also have a manual pump as well. Also, mandatory to have a life jacket. So I've got a life jacket in here. I've got a pump. In here, I actually have oars. And in the bottom, I have an inflatable raft. Now this here, we bought because I wanted to be able to put something in a backpack, like I mentioned, and be able to go to these ponds and such. Actually, the highway's right over there. This one here is not that far back. I come in my car, but I can still throw this backpack on my back and go way out country on the motorized bike. So I got that boat all pumped up with a rechargeable pump, so I didn't need to use the manual one, which is a bonus. So I've just got to put together the other oar, and we're ready to launch. Well, I'm having a dilemma. I've got my backpack on my back because I've got to be able to flop in this thing, but there's no place to safely launch this without me. This water right here is about 4 feet deep. Pretty much everywhere along this whole shore is 3 to 4 feet deep. So if I try to just flop my butt in that, then I got to try to weasel around and such. It can be done, but I have all this gear in the way. So that's a little difficult. So I'm trying to find a spot that's safe to launch this, and I'm not sure if I can. Well, I'm going to try it here. Wish me luck. Yeah, boy. I can't, I got to kind of... See, it'd be okay if I could do that. Okay, let's turn it around and try it that way, because then I can just turn around. Okay, now I'm in. Now all I got to do is turn around. Try to keep the okay. Well, it's definitely sinking in the front. I'll put my feet over the back. That should help. I've got a life jacket on, so let's see what we can do. It's going to be fun trying to get back out too. I'm sure of it. Get in there. Okay, first cast. Now, people have fished with inflatable kayaks and stuff like that, but you really have to take extreme care. That's why I've got the net, so I don't have a flopping fish flopping the hook around. Also taking care I've got this big backpack on my back too, and that's one of the problems. Is why I don't have the room. Now normally I wouldn't be bringing the backpack, but I didn't want to leave it up on shore. Okay, I'm not getting a bite, so the fishing, I'd say, is a bust. So I'm not even going to worry about it. I wanted to check out this boat and how it works, and I am floating around. So I'm going to get rid of this hook real quick. So I think I'm just going to float around a little bit and enjoy it. I'll turn you back on while I'm trying to get back out. Oh, that ought to be hilarious. Hopefully I don't get wet. That is gorgeous and comfortable. Very cool. Well, here we go. This ought to be fun. I'm going to try to go to the same spot that I was at before. Okay. Now, I can let these things go. Get that out of my way. My legs around here. Well, I kick everything, but I'm out. So I have the boat deflating behind me here, and what I learned from this is that this raft, even though it's two-person, only fits me, of course, which I knew, but it's tight. Now, I didn't think the front was going to sink that low when I get into it, but I had a backpack on. I probably was not far back, or in the front, as far back as I could go in the front. That's why you seen my feet going up. And plus I put my feet up there to kind of even me out, because I was sitting just like this. So I'm gonna have to try that again, you know, in a place I can launch. I will not come back to this pond and try to launch again. I don't like that you have to, you know, basically fall into it and then you got 4 feet of water underneath of you. So this here, I didn't get a bite. I fished for a while, no bites and such, but the backpack works and I can get around and fish with care. A lot of the ponds like this are fished out because they're easy access. I live close, well, I live in a city. This is only probably 15-20 minutes outside the city. So a lot of people can drive here, so it's fished out. I see, like I said, just probably a couple times a year I'll see someone standing on these rocks fishing. I don't know if they ever catch anything. I've tried it. I think I've gotten a bite or two. That's it. So, not calling this place a total write-off, but it's not a place that I'm going to come to and try to fish, you know, very much. Down the road a little bit, there's a stream, and most likely I'll catch a small brook trout or something out of that. But I learned that I need a decent place to launch it, and I also, the backpack kit works great, the boat worked great. I'm going to try it again before I actually take it to go out on a huge lake. But yeah, very happy with that. And this was a birthday present from my buddy Chris. And also, it's my birthday. So, have a good one. Thanks for watching. Take care.